Alright, so we're going to go backwards from graph to equation. We really don't need a whole lot on this. This one formula will do it for you. So when 0, 1 turns into HA plus K, because we already know what the base is going to be, right? So all three of these are relatively simple. It shouldn't take long to get through. I'm going to list them. We got A equals, we've got B equals. Let's go ahead and shove that E in there right there. Our base is going to be E. Right, we got H equals and K equals, and right away our asymptote is Y equals 4, and we know that's K. Right, asymptote is always K. Notes on it in the 13.1 hasn't changed a bit. And watch how easy this is. We also know that this point right there is the closest one to the asymptote, so that is the point that came from 0, 1. So remember what happens. I wrote it up here. 0, 1 turns into H and A plus K. So H and A plus K are 4 and 6, which tells us H is 4. They just line up. It also tells us A plus K is equal to 6. And given our knowledge of K, already discovered based on our asymptote, we can find out by just really simple algebra that A is 2. We're done. That's it. We write it. G of X equals A times our base to the X minus H plus K. Done. Two more. Really, that was 1 minute and 30 seconds. So here we go. A equals, B equals, we plug in our E. H equals, K equals, alright? Our K value right there, -6, same as the asymptote. So really we only got one more thing. Alright, so we realize this 0, 1 turned into the closest thing to the asymptote, which is -4, -8. Let's just write it right above, right? This is going to be H, that's going to be A plus K. Alright, just like that. So we already know H is -4. Done. H is -4, right? And A plus K is equal to -8. K is -6, so A minus 6 equals -8, which makes our A equal to -2. We're finished. There it is. Alright, so we say, hey, G of X equals A, which is -2, times our base of E to the X minus 4, so plus 4, minus 6. Finished. Alright, that took us another, that was about just over a minute. Coming over here, same thing, but not too hard. A equals, B equals, E. Let's plug it in. We already know it's E on these. H equals, K equals. We know our K. It's our asymptote, which looks to be at 1, right? 1. And our closest point to the asymptote looks right here. It's -2, 0. Let's shorthand it, right? We know that that is H, and this is A plus K. So our H is -2, right? We know A plus K is equal to that 0. K is 1, so A plus 1 equals 0. So A, simple algebra, is -1. We're done. Let's write it. G equals, what do we got? -1 times E to the X plus 2 plus 1. I'm going to circle that. We're going to be finished. Circle all of them if we can. There it is. Less than 4 minutes. We got one more video to go. Let's finish up.